cooking hub. So it's chia pudding time, and today I bring to you a classic peanut butter chia pudding recipe. It's going to be lovely with lovely nutrition facts. It's going to be very healthy, tasty, and a quick recipe. You can make this overnight and store it in the refrigerator and have it for breakfast in the morning. So this is going to be very healthy to start a day off. So yes, let's get started in making the lovely recipe. So to make the classic peanut butter chia pudding, you're only going to be requiring 5 ingredients. So I'm going to be using half cup of almond milk that I had prepared at my house. It's very easy to prepare this almond milk. It's a non-dairy milk. Next in, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Just add it inside. Now they tend to usually stick inside, so I'm going to add it all inside. This is completely measured 2 tablespoons. Next in, I'm going to be adding in some peanut butter. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This is homemade pure peanut butter with no added sugar and no added preservatives. You can watch my peanut butter video that I had already posted. So now after adding the peanut butter, I'm going to be adding some honey. So for the sweetener, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of honey. If you wish, you can use maple syrup. It's completely up to you guys. I don't have maple syrup, so I'm using honey. Next in, I'm going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon or a dash of ground cinnamon powder for that lovely taste and flavor. This is completely optional, but I prefer adding the cinnamon in mine. Now I'm going to give this a good mix. I usually have this for breakfast. As you know, peanut butter is very healthy. Chia seed is healthy as well. So I'm just going to give it a good mix. Mix it well. In the starting, you may see some lumps, but slowly just break the lumps by pressing with the back of the spoon. Peanut butter is my favorite butter out of all the butters. Although I love pista butter, cashew butter, almond butter, I usually prepare all these nut butters at my house. It's very easy to prepare the nut butters. Also, I love using almond milk, cashew milk. Those two are my favorite milk. Sometimes I tend to use oat milk or soy milk as well. So now that I have mixed this classic peanut butter chia pudding mixture, this is completely ready to go in the refrigerator for 3 hours. So after 3 hours, I'll show you how this lovely pudding looks like. You can use any fresh fruits of your choice to top it up. This looks lovely and ready to go to the refrigerator. So see you guys after 3 hours. So the beautiful classic peanut butter chia pudding is completely ready, and let me show you guys the consistency. It has been in the refrigerator for 3 hours and it is set. See, so nice gel-like texture. Perfectly tasty and healthy dessert or snack, or you can serve this for breakfast, is completely ready. So you can make this at night. It is very easy, only with 5 ingredients, and you can just make it overnight and store it in the refrigerator. Or what you can do, you can just take a mason jar, store this in the mason jar overnight, and while you're going to school or at work, you can carry it in the mason jar in your handbag. So this is my go-to breakfast and I make this almost all the time. So it's time to serve this lovely classic peanut butter chia pudding. So let's serve. Last but not the least, I'm going to give it a final garnish with some flax seeds. Now this is completely optional. I love snacking on this lovely small seeds, flax seeds I mean. So if you have any fruits at your house like banana or strawberry, you can garnish it or top it with any fruits of your choice. You can also use Greek yogurt, but unfortunately I didn't have any fruits or Greek yogurt in hand, and I felt like I want to share this simple, easy and quick recipe for you guys. So this is completely ready and I'm serving this. Do try to make this lovely recipe at your house. It's very full of nutrients, very healthy. Trust me, you're going to love having this peanut butter chia pudding. It's full of the peanut butter flavor, as it has a dash of cinnamon plus little bit sweetness from the honey and almond milk, of course. So that's done for today. So this is it for today. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and see you in my next video.